Here, light dances across pale oak and creamy symmetry, a space defined by soft warmth and golden hour grace. Then, the stillness deepens. Walnut meets slate, embracing negative space with quiet elegance. It is a sanctuary built on muted tones and timeless peace. Where dramatic lines meet quiet grace, a study in stark contrast defined by shadow and pristine white quartz. Then, a gentle shift to the soft embrace of sage green and honed travertine. Here, diffused light whispers timeless peace. From the dramatic geometry of matte black steel, where light catches exposed lines, to a softer embrace of stained oak and limestone, here every surface settles into a profound calm, a quiet rhythm built for timeless moments. Where deep midnight hues meet soft morning light, here every surface whispers timeless elegance, from polished marble to weathered wood. It is a refined sanctuary built around the quiet ritual of living, a breath of serene luxury. rich walnut embraces the soft gold of afternoon light, finding deep comfort. Then a shift to serene ash and cool concrete. Here, silence defines elegance, allowing every moment within this tranquil space to unfold.